What's up guys, Aaron here, and on this video I'm just happy that I managed to bring life again on this indestructible pair of sunglasses from Oakley. This is the Oakley Juliet X Metal series. As you can see, I don't have lens for it. The lens that came with this one initially was the emerald lenses, and polarization of it got damaged, and I replaced it with this aftermarket cheap lenses, and it's also having some issues now, like what you see here. So I ended up buying another set of lenses that I'll be putting here, and this time I'm gonna make it color blue. Right, so I'll be adding this later on. I got the link on the description where I got this, and these are ice blue. Wow, look at that, nice. All right, so I'll be putting this in there. I got the hex screws. This is number 5. Okay. So the lenses came with this kind of polarized tester. Let's check it out. This is the ice blue lens that I got. So yeah, let me zoom it in. Let's get a macro shot of this. So as you can see, it's like a view of bay, but there are trees on it. See? Nice. It's like magic. That's what polarization does on your glasses. It's like a filter. Magic. All right, let's go. Let's put this in there. Wow, I'm so excited. Post bridge coupler, I managed to pull out this pin. All right, I don't have the tool used by Oakley. I look up similar kind of tools, and I found this guy here. This is a chain breaker for motorcycles and bicycles. Okay, so this kind of mechanism managed to push this pin towards this side, okay, like that, and then I managed to pull it off using screws. Chain breaker. Okay, this is a cheap one, only $2 to $3 from Amazon. Link below. Yeah, this is the tool that I used to push those pins outside. Okay, now I'll be replacing the lens, and yeah, I'll just wow. So I'll just do a time lapse while I'm doing it. Okay, let's go. Yeah, baby, this is it. Look at that, ice blue. Wow. Yeah, ready for summer. That's the Oakley Juliet. This never gets old. It's indestructible. This is made of titanium alloy, and the plant where they manufacture this thing here is top secret. So for example, this is the source of the materials, the titanium materials for this X Metal series. It's loaded onto this truck, and then from this truck it's loaded into another truck midway, and from this truck it gets loaded into another truck, and then this truck goes into the main factory where it's being made. So this truck doesn't know where the materials came from, and this truck doesn't know where it's going into. So that's how they do it, top secret. Yeah, nice. Yeah, Juliet's, for me, for all of the X Metal series by Oakley, is the best. It never gets old. Alright, that's it. Links are down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.